The Queen's Gambit is one of the oldest openings in chess. White offers a pawn in order to gain control of the center. This opening is very popular among modern players and is one of the best openings for d4. Accept the gambit d takes c4. Accepting the gambit is playable. Black is up a pawn, but only temporarily. As it turns out, it's impractical for black to hold on to it. By accepting the gambit, black loses control of e4. White can reclaim the gambited pawn and take a bigger share of the center with e4, discovering an attack on c4. The main line, however, is nf3, seeking to prevent e5 and recovering the pawn later after nf6, e3, e6, b taking c4. Most black players choose to decline the gambit. If black allows white to play c taking d5, they would like ideally to retake with a pawn so as to keep a pawn on d5, controlling e4. Therefore, the most common ways of declining are e6, the Queen's Gambit declined, or c6, the Slav defense. 9f6, the martial defense prepares to retake on d5 with the knight. However, black loses time after c takes d5, knight takes d5, e4, 9f6. Instead, c6, the tricky tan gambit, may offer more practical success. Alternatively, black may rely on the fact that the d5 pawn is already defended by the queen and prioritize developing their other pieces instead. The exotic knight c6, the Chigorin defense, develops a knight and intends to answer c takes d5 with queen takes d5, with added pressure on d4. The eccentric bishop f5, the Baltic defense, is thought worse for black. If c takes d5, queen takes d5, white can gain time on the queen and bishop. Knight c3, queen d7, e4, bishop g6 plus. The main line is to first give up one's bishop for a knight so that one's queen can come out more safely. C takes d5, bishop takes b1, rook takes b1, queen takes d5 plus. Counter gambit. Finally, black may choose to derail white's plans with a gambit of their own, the most practical of which are the Albin counter gambit, e5. After dx e5 d4, black's pawn is an advanced wedge in white's territory, and may get some attacking chances. The Austrian defense, c5. After cx d5, queen takes d5, or nf6 may be played. Dubious is b5, the Zilberman's gambit.